Ndimwe na mifonti abikonde bize mukalu bakaina kulanga atu batandise okola violence yeni olwisinsikira ebintu aye eri omukulembeza mu Uganda muno yapangisa abantu bena abo bemuli kwogera abafere ati mulinde mama wali abitawo mumutege mumbande yawo ku deposit ya 2015 yasoka kweta abebikado yakata omukyalo ayitero kubita ku luguudo lw'edindoro lwaki mutega kuli mubanda ebikado akati oyo muntu waife obanga ekitulese yabaita yire teso bakati ife obanga ekitulese sigasa sente so ni plan neyo mpano ya feeling akubali yara kubona wakati mpano ni mwabali okumpyawo mumbande kubanga bita ku luguudo lwaino obanga olina obulwa lwaki olwana kuba kibali kwati kitufu so bana mulifira mukifoti jirangada ndimwe na mifonti abikonde bize mukalu bakaina kulanga atu batandise okola violence yeni olwisinsikira ebintu aye eri omukulembeza mu Uganda muno yapangisa abantu bena abo bemuli kwogera abafere ati mulinde mama wali abitawo mumutege mumbande yawo ku deposit ya 2015 yasoka kweta abebikado yakata omukyalo ayitero kubita ku luguudo lw'edindoro lwaki mutega kuli mubanda ebikado akati oyo muntu waife obanga ekitulese yabaita yire teso bakati ife obanga ekitulese sigasa sente so ni plan neyo mpano ya feeling akubali yara kubona wakati mpano ni mwabali okumpyawo mumbande kubanga bita ku luguudo lwaino obanga olina obulwa lwaki olwana kuba kibali kwati kitufu so bana mulifira mukifoti jirangada ekisooka ndikusaba nti history bwa Busoga ky'abasinga shibwe beri kwogerebwa mujogere obulambalamba guno mukuzi gwa kusatu nga mpulira nga bali kwogera ku myaka gino gyonka ayi kituufu okwira kw'ennyuma Obusoga akoba ateyagabaza tajjukira mu wampambo n'olwekyo emyaka 10 egyo nga gikali kutandika waliwo emirimu gavumenti ya Uganda gye yakola era yalinga oludegere olwagayitanga Obusoga ku gavumenti ndi kwidukiranga waliwo olunaku twatyama Kampala eyo ewange ng'ebyewa ky'abasinga bitabwire twamala olukiiko ssaawa 9 ez'obwire twakirisaganya niba nange bali baweraku nga bantu 20 nti ekyo tuwuune Bugembe tumenye kufulu nava eka ssaawa 12 najja okutuuka eyo nalyozenka ni Jennifer Kongo oyo Babulale Leto Polot Jomba tuwe twamena kufulu Busogere mu okutyama bagamo enjiri abatumbya mutaide do mwako mukaka twali naye so ena musimanga tijja street yaida kubine byambaga aya bali part of this journey mpano baba ndikwenda kusooka kuira mu bintu nakandi byayogera ondabo kyoto ekyo oluguudo teralikira tulikikolako nga amajeri bwe bidye akabineetano nga tubanda gavumenti ebideeri ebyo bikeke the ferry we have been talking about ninaisa n'okobera nti oluguudo lwo oluva ewa Lugogo olubita Busalaamu Nakabugu Bulopa Tubudumbula endagano yasaniibwa ido abaluuka mulinse nga kwa presidenti ndikasokanga mubaawo tubona nga korasi so ndikubasakakasa kyaweire era so omwana ifa yuge mwakemba kaleira okuba ko bantu ekyo kitukirire n'olwekyo ekyebukungu muteralikira kyona tuli kigoba tusangero okuwulira nti president ali kwenda kwida eno kwogera ku byenanda kamba sabe nti bwanaida timwida kwemotya ndibasaba tumemotya ensonga y'ebyenanda n'obuvubi nzibwene Busoga nerimu enanda egisinga n'olwekyo ekigema ku byenanda bigema ku Busoga n'olwekyo mutya mukobera ekituufu nti ekintu ekizibu atwala abasirikale ku nanda oba kyekyo bagobe obutimba obutundibwa mu maduuka tidye bubita kwa gavumenti ni Eno Revenue Authority ebintu bibitaga okuida na watu babigule so mutya mumukobe bwendi bawo ndi mukoba ekyokubiri kigabagana na bibali usanga entabakise bali ano ona boyidi oliga ndi kubanda report y'ebibali yali ya myezi 2 empanta kujja mu mwaka abataka ndikwenda kubakobera nti president yakoba ati Busoga Bukedi n'Ikigezi bageme mpola mpola batakuba mbibali era twamukoba nti ifo okuva mbibali olina okutwa ekindi ekyotukola kumagene nanda yaife n'ennimiro yaife so ekyona bwanaida kasuni report n'abeetuuse tugimwandulire nti ekintu kyetwateesa kikole ku mu ngeri eno ebyo ambizaawo baba kandi base president ni government ya hagati olw'emirimu egy'obwebudyobi gayembako byoferi otumaze emyaka egiswika 20 tubanda n'oluguudo lunatera okuyida nebaza omulangira Swami Titaaga n'emikwano gye abaata ekyuma ky'ebikaza eno okusobola okuwa ku bantu baife akatale ne employment ekyuma kiri eno ndikwenda kwebaza government olwa nuclear plant eri kuyida ndikwenda bakakasa nti nuclear plant eyo eri kuyidira ku oluguudo era tulikola kinene tuwente oluguudo oluva Esaaka oluyita mu Kaliro lwire mu Kamuli lwire neeno lukubibwa korasi kizo okubaga kiri immediate ayi kyetuligoba kubanga ebyuma ebya nuclear binatambula biza kwetaaga korasi asinga ono n'ettaka lyetutambulirako baba ampe ku report katono ku mirimu gyaife egy'obwakyabasinga mama Jovia abo bairozirawo eri emirimu gye gyembarenga nkola nga njikola n'owekitiibwa Dr. abali wano emirimu gy'ekigangu tukesaako okunyambulisa aye kuba twava mu mbaga twakoba nti katukulinde mweno tukoberenga wenda okutandikira mu ngeri eyo twakobanga youth camps mu Iganga mu Bugiri Emayuge ne Namayingo December ni January twida kuba ni youth camp Edinda Eruka Ebugweri Namutumba Kaliro Buyende ni Kamuli omweni wona tukobera woli kwenda tutandikire baba mbiru bya tourism tugitambuiza ne okureportinga nti twakatambula ku amasaza ana eri ebukono eri obusiki buno lebunanumba ne buna ng'ekigendererwa buli saza tulonde mu ebifo bisatu ebyokutumbula obulambuzi ngetwogerera tulefo ana na bibiri bitwamala okutongoza tukali kujja Bugweri tukali kujja Luuka tukali kujja Bugabula Bibi era tutaji wena ku isatu olwa size yayo tukali kujja Butembe tukali kujja Kigulu kujja Bulamoji tukalina kujja Bukoli aye nsubira nti omwaka guno akali kuwaku ida kuba yona tumaze okubitayo nga tumaze okufuna ebifo ebyejjo okutumbulira mu bulambuzi wabulanga ndogera ku bulambuzi tumwenda mifunti omwezi ogwere twali eno eri omwana waffe yakosebwa abaserikale era nkobye mwamira musayo oyo ndikwenda report ke basirikale abo abali kuduto olunaku olwo abawamba omwana w'emyaka 14 bamukosa babiri bati ndikwenda report era ntumye minister wa agenda aida kwenda abane family y'omwana eyo Your Royal Highness Kyabasinga of Busoga William Nadiope Your Highness Jovia Mutesi Nevanto of Busoga Prince Yosia Nadiope the Royal Chiefs Bambeda Katukira Busoga Namyukavyo n'abagendi bona abaliana Badiope bana mwebale ino kuida kwani baba onakulwa lero eno ni message. I congratulate His Royal Highness William Bafos Kadumbra Governor Nadiope IV Kyabasinga of Busoga Kingdom and other people of Busoga Kingdom upon reaching this great day of the King's 10th coronation anniversary. Your Royal Highness, on behalf of government, on behalf of the NRM party, and my own behalf, I extend best wishes of peace, prosperity, and good health as we continue to steer the kingdom forward. I want to thank people of Busoga Kingdom for supporting the king, the kingdom's cultural and development agenda. This proves that the king and the kingdom occupy a central place in the social and cultural lives of the people of this area. The NRM government recognizes the role of cultural institutions as the custodians of the African cultures, customs, and languages. It is not possible to develop culture without involving the traditional institutions. The cultural leaders and institutions have helped to ensure that African vernaculars and customs regarding marriage, etiquette, etc. are preserved. It is important to note that the NRM government restored cultural institutions in 1993 as a symbolic of ancestors' attempts at setting up centralized administration, prerequisite for better organization, production, and welfare of society. In the kingdoms of Uganda, Bunyoro, Ankole, and Toro, as well as the chiefdoms of Busoga, the kings and chiefs had managed to unite scores of clans under single administrations. It is therefore important to celebrate the fact that ancestors attained this level of development in terms of political integration. Your Royal Highness, I want with this occasion to commend you for rallying your people to embrace the wealth creation campaign. Poverty in Uganda is caused by the fact that 38% of the Ugandan households are still trapped in subsistence farming, i.e. working for the stomach only. This is dangerous in the modern era, where all goods and services needed to sustain life must be bought with money. The NRM's message regarding the socio-economic transformation of Uganda is that there are 4 sectors in the economy where individuals, families, companies, and organizations can create jobs and wealth to guarantee their prosperity. These 4 sectors are commercial agriculture, services, industries, and ICT. Through the wealth creation funds and campaigns, the NRM government has been mobilizing the people of Uganda to select profitable enterprises in any of these 4 sectors. Government has put in place the necessary conditions to ensure the profitability of the enterprise, the good roads, electricity, peace and security, integration of the Ugandan market, the regional market, African and international markets, pursuing policies that favor the private sector. However, these economic advantages that NRM has created must be translated into jobs and wealth for the households in order for this development to be meaningful. The parity development model and the wealth funds are aimed at increasing the number of wealth creators engaged in production in the 4 sectors of commercial agriculture, industries, services, and ICT. Therefore, I thank Busoga Kingdom for prioritizing the wealth creation campaign. It's a great step towards building strong and prosperous families in Uganda and in Busoga. Finally, I want to commend His Royal Highness William Wilberforce Kadumbura, Governor David IV, for promoting unity, tolerance, and coexistence among the people of Busoga Kingdom. You are align with the philosophy of the NRM, which is based on interest as opposed to identity. The NRM came to the conclusion a long time ago that interests are always more important than identity. This is because interests are common to all people. There is no tribal religion that doesn't want a school, a hospital, a road, or electricity. When somebody opportunistically highlights identity, the status of religion, tribe, etc., instead of focusing on interest, he or she acts against people's prosperity. That unprincipled highlighting of identity is a true diagnosis of societal problems. Almost inevitably, it creates friction, resulting into conflict that scares away investments, diverse resources from infrastructure, security, and above all, leads to tension. Therefore, I urge all leaders in the Busoga region to concentrate on working for the legitimate interests of the people. I once again congratulate Royal Highness William Wilberforce Kadumbura, Governor of the 4th, Chairperson of Busoga, upon reaching the 10th coronation anniversary, and wish you success in your future plans and endeavors. Kenogere omwene nti asanga ireno okubona in the bantu Mama Jovia. Mwebale nokumpuliriza. Sorry. Bana omwezi guno naigula program ya grow eya sente edokola bakyala either individually or groups. Naye tabakulembeze bona aba district dona men council na league entrepreneurs bali kutandika okutambuza amawulire aye kyempuliremu nti abantu bali kwemulugunya nti sente zezi ku security nkobye nti ejo kanje nkikoleku tubone bakubanga batugoba nti sente zizira ku security abakyalo bazira security abantu twaida ba mataka gaibwe n'olwekyo kanje ekirwanise tubone nga kitereera ndakuyida tukulungere ku nsonga eyo perano chairman we Kaliro atuse chairman Kagoda idobire ku baba ni mama sangero kubona okuzwe Kaliro baba yono mulangira ye Kaliro sangero kubona chikiri baine aite delegation yone baba fungwa mama tusangayo